First swarm of 2021.
Yes, it is. It's exciting.
Where are they at?
They're way up here. They started out by the chickens quite a ways over, and I walked with them and followed them for a while. Tried to talk them into coming lower, but they didn't listen.
Let's see if I can zoom in on that. What do you think it is? 50 feet in the air?
No.
20 feet?
20.
20? Good 20 feet. So, just for reference, that little hangy down thing to the left of the swarm is where they swarmed to last year. Last year we had a crazy swarm. It was the last one of the spring, and they hung out there. Like, I think we got the queen, got most of the hive, and some of them went back there and they just like made a little dab of comb, and that's what that little black hanging thing is to the left of it. But that is the swarm, a good 20-25 feet up. Should be really fun to catch here in a minute.
Oh yeah, we'll get creative.
Yeah.
We always get creative.
But that's that. So you stood in the swarm?
Yes, I did. It's one of my favorite sounds of spring. That's how I know spring is here. It's not just the calendar, the temperature, all the green clover and stuff growing, but it's standing in the bees. I tried to talk to them and tell them to come lower, but I can't convince that many ladies at the same time to do it.
Yeah. You're a sweet talker, just not that sweet.
No. If this falls, get out of the way, okay?
Yeah, I will.
Don't trip.
Oh, you got a bigger chunk than you think.
Where's my box in here?
It is right.
They're climbing up the walls away. Ooh, this smells wonderful.
Yeah.
Which tells me Miss Queenie is probably not in here. There's a monster sitting in the street.
Well, let's go get some more bees.
Yep.
Alright, so.
Let's try the 1-2 bee maneuver. Where I say 1-2 on account of bee, I shake the tree. We got the queen in the box. We can get them airborne. See if they will come on down.
Go on down in here.
Ready?
1.
2, bee.
Ooh. And they're airborne.
Now let's see if they come on down or if they go back up.
Alright, so we are back here with our first swarm, and Thomas is about to put the last frame in.
Yep, Miss Queen Bee is in here somewhere. They're all going in. The box is out in front here. We did the big bee shake.
Yeah.
Get them all in here. So
as you can see, these bees here are all sticking their booties in the air, letting off a pheromone to say, hey, here's the queen, come in here. So all of that fanning into the air with their rear ends up is them saying, hey, new home, come on in. And that'll get all the random bees that are around just in the air, because there are quite a few in the air. There's one calling across my camera screen right now.
they're so warm too.
Yeah.
I had to grab a stick out of here earlier, and you can feel the heat coming off of them. It's going to be a cool night, so they're going to be clustered up.
Yeah,
I'm sure.
they'll cluster up for sure.
So we'll just give them a couple minutes to get down in there, and we'll sweep them in a little bit, cover them up gently, and we'll be all set. And we have this preset to within about an inch or so of our new horizontal hive. This is where I'm going to put my next hive.
Yeah, so there's the new horizontal hive that we showed you last week.
They're very particular, and they know exactly where home is. So once they start doing their orientation flights, if I try to move this any more than a couple inches, they will not find home. So I did the whole eyeball thing here, got it pretty close. So I'm going to go to the horizontal hive and get it set right here where these bees are at.
There they are. And you'll see some of them are fanning at the front entrance even, doing that thing to let put the pheromones into the air for the other bees to know that this is where Miss Queen is. We did spot her for a very brief minute, and she was probably a virgin queen because she was hairy still.
Yeah, she still had the hair on her. She was pretty small, so we'll probably see a mating flight once they get settled in here. It's our first swarm of the season. I'm sure we have a couple more to go. We can probably do.
Yeah, 4 hives over there still yet to do stuff off of.
Time to get some of those bait hives out here.
Yeah, for sure. Bye.